Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on BMW F10 model. First we start by loosening the plastic covers and removing the bolts on the metal plates. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel. Now that the metal plate is loose, we will remove it and we will get access to the cooling fan. To remove the cooling fan, you need to disconnect the connector, and there is two bolts, Torx bolts, that hold the cooling fan, and then you need a screwdriver to push the pins on the two sides so that the cooling fan comes out. This is the plastic pin that you need to push with the screwdriver to take out the cooling fan. But first we need to remove the two Torx bolts. So now we use a screwdriver to push the plastic pin, and here is the cooling. This side came out, now the other side. Once the two sides are released, now we can lift up the cooling fan, but it's a very tight space, so you might need to push some hoses or pipes in so that you can make more space. And here is the cooling fan is out. Next we'll remove the two plastic covers on the two sides of the engine. Next, we'll take out this metal plate that's in the middle in front of the engine. It's held by 2 bolts on the right, 2 bolts on the left, and 1 bolt in the middle. After all the bolts are removed, we can slide the metal plate up and just take it out. Once we've taken that metal plate out, there is some plastic covers that we need to remove, and then we'll have access to the AC condenser and the cooling radiator. This plastic cover is held by a couple of bolts on the left side and on the right side. We need to remove them and just lift up the plastic cover. Okay, once we remove all the bolts, we can take out the plastic cover. And now you have access to the AC condenser and the cooling radiator. To remove the AC condenser, first we need to remove the bolts on the 2 pipes that connect to the AC condenser. I've already disconnected them, and then we just lift up the AC condenser and take it out.